guys, we are gonna be doing a morning and night routine. So see you. All right, guys. What we usually do at night is
close the cafe. Close the cafe at 12.
We close the cafe at 12:58. So we have to start going to bed now.
And get ready for bed. So we have
Our house isn't finished. So
and don't remind. Yeah, don't.
All right, I cook dinner.
So I wait and get ready for bed.
Yeah.
So mostly I go up in here, have some privacy, cause
I usually like to cook whatever I want to cook. But today's tacos. It's my birthday. I'm going to come to the tea party.
So guys, yeah, you have never seen this, but this is my bedroom.
We usually like to have not a healthy dinner, but I want tacos right now.
Guys, that's my escape route. Shh. And then
she's making a balcony, but she doesn't know how to make one. So we'll do the morning video in the same video. It's
not time.
It's
and when I go to parties, I jump out of.
Hurry up! We're not going to be making a morning video.
If she doesn't hurry up. So mostly I get tea because I love tea.
Yes, I will get tea for you. I usually like to place everything for her. And since this isn't too warm, I had to place everything for her.
So guys, I'm going to just kind of eat my tacos.
But I like to have
and drink. And then I go into this thing. And then I text my boyfriend. No, I'm just kidding. Then I get ready for bed. Cause then I blow dry my hair. And then I take a shower because we all need a shower.
Hey, I want to take a shower first.
Sorry. And I brush my teeth because that's good.
Alright. Let's look at my mood. Okay, hunger's already good. Hydration.
And then
thank you for getting out.
And then I go to bed.
We usually don't bring our phone up until the morning. Did you brush your teeth?
Yes.
I'm her maid, not your mind to do these things.
This is called the kawaii house, so everything has to be kawaii. Everything has to be kawaii. I love kawaii. So, and that
we will be doing a house tour when we're done with our house.
Oh yeah, and the cafe is kawaii.
No.
So we call it Kawaii Cafe. Because I named it.
There we go.
Because, so,
make sure every single light off is in the house.
If I can find my light switch.
I don't think you have a light switch.
Well, then I have to click for it. So guys, I'm short in this game, so I have to turn off.
I'm the one who usually has to do everything. Yep.
I accidentally fell. No.
So we go up this.
So guys, we have our own thing, but I have this, so I don't have to.
Go in here.
She has the bigger bed.
And go to sleep. Okay, bye. I'll see you in the morning, guys.
Yeah, I will see you guys in the morning, because then I text on my phone. Beep, boop, bop, beep. And then if there's a party, I try to go outside.
Get back inside.
I'm stuck in the wall. So guys, I'm at then I go to bed. I go to bed.
You have work in the morning.
I know I do. I sleep.
Tap on your computer when you need to wake up and make it.
Guys, I wake up at 4.
Wait, I need to make breakfast first. Keep sleeping.
Guys, I mostly get ready at 4:30.
No, you can't wake up yet. Good morning, everyone. I have to go and make her breakfast. Turn on the lights. And then I get ready after she leaves there. After everything's done.
So guys, I don't eat.
Dinner didn't get put away last night.
Wait, I fell. Almost.
What? Get changed.
But I want to wear a dress.
When you have to ride a moped, that would be that comfortable.
Keep on.
You having coffee for the morning?
I don't.
Please for the taco award.
I don't want. I'm fine.
No, excuse me, you are eating the pancakes that I just made. I did not just make pancakes for you not to eat them, you will stop. Face. I don't even care if you eat one pancake, but you're eating some.
You would never find me here.
Get downstairs, sit at a table. I don't want to have to be your mother. Yeah, please, it's 5:46. You need to work by 7. You have 2 hours. Did you take a shower?
Yeah.
How I am your mother.
Yes, sure.
Okay. But you go to work.
No, I won't do school. No,
you go to work.
I'm already full, sorry.
Eat those 2 pancakes. Fine, go to work then. She's off to work. I'll just eat the pancakes.
I'm on the flat. Ooh, I got a call from my...
She's off to work. I can go get ready.
Ooh, I got a call from my friends. Hello, friends. Yes! But no. Oh my god. Yeah. Glad I don't go to school anymore. I'm only a teenager and I have to walk.
I better go change.
Yeah. So.
Well, guys, I need to change into adult since I'm a mother now.
That'd be a great idea if I just work at the cafe.
You are not just working at the cafe?
Maybe sometimes I get to Pizza Planet, but yeah, I think I'm going to do that.
Well, I need to go open the cafe.
So yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Yeah.
I better not catch her in the cafe. She better be at work.
Wait, what? It's Sunday, and I don't work on Sundays or Saturdays.
No, oh yeah, you work for the cafe on Sundays. Sorry guys, a little off track. But
And I work on it on Saturdays.
no, you go to work on Saturdays. Just take a little rest. I'm bored. Well, I think this is where we're gonna end it here. But
Guys, I hope you liked this video.
I hope you had an amazing time with that. A little hectic, but
I hope you liked this video. Subscribe if you do, and I'll see y'all next time. Good.